Hi dear, I hope you are doing well. I recently visited and analyzed your YouTube channel, Sweet Nas Kitchen. I noticed that you have been uploaded your video consistently on your YouTube channel. You have been uploaded more than 400 video in your YouTube channel. However, your video does not receive the expected views and subscribe. If you SEO your video 100% according to the YouTube algorithm and give a perfect video title and high resolution thumbnails and use SEO friendly keyword for your channel, then you will get more views and subscribe. I know you already trying to grow your YouTube channel audience and need help to fulfill your channel watch time with subscribe. Dear, if you give me a chance, I will fulfill your goal because I am a professional YouTube channel developer with an SEO expert. So I will provide all types of YouTube channel development service, analyzing your video that you have been uploaded more than 4 months ago or 3 months ago. Look at this that you have been uploaded in this section. This video you have been uploaded 2 months ago. This is 3 months ago. Only 483 views and here 932 views in your videos. This video you have been uploaded 3 months ago. Only 357 views in your this video you have been uploaded 3 months ago. Views 1200 views. This video you have been uploaded more than 4 months ago. Only 887 views in your videos. And this video you have been uploaded 4 months ago. Only 430 views in your videos. Lack of proper SEO, your video is not growing as you expected. Okay, I am going to your video analyzing section. First of all, I am going to your this video, this one. Stay with me. So let's start. Video here.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Your video title is very good. Okay, dear, I am analyzing your video. Your video title is how to make egg noodles. Stir fry egg noodles recipe. It tastes and so good. Okay, I am analyzing your SEO section. So stay with me. This is your SEO marking your SEO score in this video. Your SEO score is 0 out of 100. Your rank track is 0 and your views in this video is 357. That video you have been uploaded 3 months ago. Okay, I am going to your another section. Here, look at this section. Best practice. Your high resolution thumbnails is okay, but your info card is not added. Your indie skin is not added. Your command is not pinned, and your chapter is not added. Okay, if you want to increase, if you want to grow your videos, you need must to customize this section. Okay, here is your SEO section. Your vidIQ SEO score is 0 out of 100 and look at this section. Your actionable marks is 0 out of 50. Your tag count is 0 out of 5. Your tag volume is 0 out of 5. Your keyword in title is 0 out of 5. Your keyword in description is 0 out of 5 and your triple keyword is 0 out of 5. Here is your another section performance of section. Here total marks is 50. You have only gained 0 out of 5 and you have gained is 0 out of 5. Okay, look at this section. Your title is video optimization checklist. Look this section. Your title is too long. Your tag is too short, your description is too short, your end skin is not edited, and your share on Facebook is not completed. So, if you want to grow your channel, if you want to get more view and subscribe in your channel, you need must to optimize your video. Okay, I am going to your another videos that you have been uploaded. Look at this video. Your most of video content is very good, but your views is too poor. Such as this video you have been uploaded 4 months ago. I am marking this section. Look, this video you have been uploaded 4 months ago, only 887 views in your video, and this you have been uploaded 4 months ago, only 430 views in your videos, and this is on average very good. You have been uploaded 4 months ago, and you have gained 2,800 video in your videos, but in this video, look at this video. You have been uploaded 4 months ago, but you have gained only for 7,048 views. In this video, you have been uploaded 5 months ago, but 890 views. Here the same. You have been uploaded 4 months ago and 911 views in your videos. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, you must need to this section, customize and optimize your SEO section, title, and your thumbnail is very good. So I am waiting for your response. Okay, dear, if you give me a chance, I will fulfill your dream to helping you growing your videos, subscribe and views that will help you to increase your channel. Thank you very much.